2022 Ford Explorer with less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.